We're going to be installing and assembling a 32 by 40 door awning. Just to show you the quick assembly process. On mine, I have 2 panels. You are going to have to peel this off before you put it together. There's a clear edge here that's going to connect the 2 pieces. You have a top bar here, which is actually going to slip on your awning, and then you're going to slip that into there. You're going to put 2 screws in here, which is going to start to hold this all together. This one slips on and is going to slip into the bottom. So you're just going to want to put all of this together at once, and I'll show you how to do that. I started by removing the plastic on the polycarbonate panels, and then I slipped those together. I put on my 2 end pieces, and then I found this was the easiest to slip it into place. If you do need to take your black brackets off, you can always put them on at the end, and then just put your end piece on. When it comes to the screws that come with it, you have the lag bolts, which are going to go into the wall. These are cement screws. If you're adhering it to a cement wall, the steel screws have this fun little lip on them, and then you also just have some of these regular screws. Then I recruited my son, who's 6'1", to help hold the awning up while I put the lag bolts in and screw it to the door frame. This took maybe 5 minutes. It went up really fast and easy.